What is digital content? Digital content refers to materials in digital format or be used in a digital platform for assessment, therapy, training and teaching online or offline. What is the importance of digital content? With the onset of digitalization, people have become increasingly dependent on digital media and rehab professionals have started telepractice where using physical materials is a limitation. Digital content is a powerful tool for therapists to convey the concept to clients by visual and auditory input which are both appealing and effective. I am Vyshak, special educator and AVT trainer working in content development for exceptional learning. A rehab expert can easily create personalized content for their clients and keep them engaged throughout session. You can make your own digital materials with minimal technological skills by thinking imaginatively and preparing a script. And if authorized, sell the content to the Exceptional Learning International Library. You can encourage your clients to practice more with your interactive digital content by assigning them as homework that is simple to perform by themselves or with the help of a caretaker based on your instructions. If you are still worried about creating digital material, we offer a digital training course